It'll kind of depend on how temperatures trend over the next couple of months, but right now we're staying relatively mild. Yeah, some snow moving through the area, but no real heavy hitters in terms of winter weather headed our way here in the near future. Here this morning, again, a band of heavier snow impacting eastern Montana this morning. What we've got going on is kind of an area of surface low pressure and some colder air dropping down out of Canada, and that area of low pressure is just kind of wrapping that moisture over top of Montana, and then that colder air is going to continue to settle in. So we'll likely still see some lingering flurries as the day progresses through the noon hour, especially in northeastern Montana due to that area of low pressure just wrapping the moisture there. Just scattered to isolated flurries in central Montana, very limited accumulations there. I think this is a little heavy even, but this is one of the lower forecast models that I'm going with, and I would say maybe a quarter of an inch, a little dusting here around Great Falls. Helena, you'll see a little bit more as that snow continues, but really northeastern Montana from Lewistown over is going to catch kind of the brunt of this, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches likely in that region. Today's high temperatures pretty mild, looking at 36 in Great Falls, about 38 degrees in the capital, a few high 30s west of the divide, a little bit cooler though in northeastern Montana, staying just below freezing there. Overnight lows pretty darn cold tonight. The reason behind that, again, that colder air is settling in out of Canada, and before that system moves out, it's going to stay chilly. So once we fast forward to Tuesday now, that cold front's going to kind of stall out. It's not going to stall out very long, though. By tomorrow, warmer air is going to start overtaking that, and that's going to move that colder air mass out of the region, allowing for much more mild air to settle in and clearing skies. So much like last week, we'll start out a little bit chilly, and then temperature is going to warm as the week progresses. That will allow for tomorrow's highs to get a little bit warmer, 37 in Great Falls, 38 in the capital. Still cold, though, in northeastern Montana, looking at the mid-20s there. Long term, we're going to continue to see our last weather maker move out. High pressure is going to rebuild Wednesday into Thursday. That's going to allow for slightly windy conditions likely Wednesday, Thursday, and then clearing conditions with temperatures get that well into the mid-50s once Friday and Saturday rolls around. Over the next 7 days, here's how that translates: 36 degrees and a couple of flurries. Wind picking up there on Ash Wednesday through Thursday, but that's going to push temperatures into the mid-50s, at least for the first half of the weekend here in the capital. Lingering flurries expected this morning, about 38 tomorrow. So carbon copy there. Warming up nicely, though, once Wednesday and Thursday rolls around with plenty of sunshine on tap for the weekend.